Hello, here at Learn by Design, one of the programs we do is called Aspire to Me, and it takes elite, national and international athletes, sportsmen and women, into schools and colleges to work with students, normally a whole year group at a time, through a motivational and inspirational today. The idea is to enable students to become the best versions of themselves, to aspire them to be something more than they were, where they want to be in the future. And the day normally starts off with an assembly and a motivational talk from the athlete, telling them about their sports career and maybe a bit about their education and other problems they've had in their life, and the successes and the achievements they've made. We then go on and do a whole load of workshops with all the year group that can be from training the mind, learning how to use your mind in the right way to overcome barriers, maybe skills for success and learning how you learn new skills to be successful. Maybe it could be a workshop all linked to target setting and realising how important SMART goals are so that you can achieve your future. Well, if you'd like to find out more about our Aspire to Me programme and some of our elite athletes that include BMX riders, table tennis players, taekwondo champions, and Olympians and Paralympians, why not have a look at our website and follow the web link below and let us get in touch with you to design a bespoke Aspire to Me Day just for you.